Bona.
Bona. Bona.
Apa? Hah? Terang apa? Ya terserah nak ketedak itu wae. Besak bisa, besak. Kecil. 10-20 yang polybag itu. 2 kilo lah paling enggak tuh. Tuh. Yang 2 kilo dah tuh.
Oh my god.
Heeh. Oh, kalau yang agak kecil tak apa-apa, besar, kebesaran. Yang penting untuk tiga itu kan enggak itu kan, pokoknya enggak apa terlalu jangan terlalu kecil.
Bona. Hey Bona.
Get in the bottom.
Yeah. That's who you are. That's you.
Ngisinya itu banyak ya.
Bona.
Ya, nyari yang itu, ah?
Bona.
Gila, mau cukup lah. Apa coba beli bagnya?
Bona.
Apa tahan ya?
Oh, you're on my foot. See, there she goes. Oh,
Tahan maksudnya?
Oh, you're so tiny.
Ya, ya kalau udah besar bisa disambung atau ditanam ya. Oh, sebelum ditanam. Tahan lama, asal jangan direndam dulu. Dibentang kan itu, dibentang wae, jangan dikasih air dulu.
Oh, look at her hair.
Funny. Itu language Indonesia. Lucu.
Lucu.
Lucu. Funny lucu.
Funny.
Lucu.
Lucu. Okay. Funny. Hahaha. Lucu. Lucu. Okay.
Hey, Bona. Hey, buddy. Whoa. Oh, God. She's so tiny, Mary. Bona.
She's so afraid of me over here. Look, she's trying to get through that.
Bona. Oh, wow. This is amazing. This is the world's most famous little elephant, I think.
You want to drink milk?
Some milk, yeah.
You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Three, together.
Look at this.
This is kiss.
Kiss?
Or Bona.
A kiss? Aww. Hey, buddy.
Funny. Please. Kiss.
Kiss? She won't stand still, so I can kiss her.
Okay. Always.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, she is so gorgeous. I love her. I love her.
If
She's hungry.
hungry,
Yeah, she's
Bona
hungry.
come here.
Oh, look at her. Oh, oh. That's not your bottle.
One of them made it honestly.
Oke.
Oh, little darling. Why do you like
So we're just mixing up her bottle for tonight. So she may come back for a couple of these, but we've got just a bit of an adjustment from when I was here a couple of days ago. So we're just working out the finer details of that, and we'll kind of clarify all that tomorrow. But by all accounts, she's taken heaps.
Mara, she's being very patient.
She is being very patient. I'm coming.
Being very pleased to have my bottle now.
Okay, miss. Oh, you get to feed it.
I will feed
So
her.
Bruce will take her out on the grass. On the grass, Robert.
You feeling okay today? Not well today.
What's the lid?
Oke, betul.
Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss. Over here.
Over here.
Okay.
Come on, Bona.
Okay. Okay. you go. So it goes quite a way back.
Yeah. It's hot. Oh. Just come.
Chunk
Oh,
it up,
goody. Oh, she needs those teats, doesn't she? Oh, Bona. This feels so good. Yeah.
Lost half of it.
Oh, wow. Oh, darling, you're funny. You're funny.
Another one.
Yeah, Mari, she's hungry. Oh. Does she have a
World's
brain?
fastest sculler. No, she'll just no.
You would win a few
You can
spear
feel it,
sculling
she kind of
competitions.
locks around the.
Yeah, yeah. She needs those teats though. You can definitely. Oh, she's gorgeous.
Oh, how good's that?
Oh, it's a tick.
Tilt, up, up. Okay, she's got enough. Right.
Sorry, Mama. The first timer. I really, really love her. She is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at this tummy on her. Looks like a sore tummy to me. Is it a sore tummy? Best day of my entire life, Bruce. Best day.
Hello, Bona.
I feel so happy right
Hello.
now.
Hello, gorgeous. You want a bit more? Hey? Want a bit more?
Yes, please, Uncle Mari. I would like
Here we
some
go.
more.
Here you go. Oh, a little bit more.
Don't you stand on my toes.
Okay, had enough? And she just... And you can see how she's Little Miss Independent.
Oh, yeah.
And she's just like, she's kind of just, she's all about what I want to do, isn't
You
it?
want to tickle?
She is very headstrong.
Hey? It's all about what I want to do, isn't it? Give me a run. Hello.
Look at her little foot up. Oh my God. She wants the bottle.
You want to talk to me? You want to talk to me? Oh, beautiful. You are adorable. Yes, you are.
She's gonna vomit up on you.
Are you eating my leg? Are you eating my leg? You
Oh,
are.
that's so cute.
You are chewing my leg. Hello. Does that taste good?
I remember you.
Give me kisses on the leg.
Oh,
Beautiful girl. Hey? Beautiful.
we have come such a long way to see you. And you're
Here
worth
we are, and all of us.
everything that happened along the way. You are so worth it, girl. Huh?
No.
Just for this moment. Woo! Don't trample me.
So this is what it is all about. This is why we have done what we do, and for all the trouble and pain and challenges that we have faced, there you go. One little baby girl called Bona.
One very hungry little baby girl called Bona.
Who just devoured 2 bottles of formula.
Oh my God,
I think she knows.
you're worth everything, even the PayPal stuff. It's all worth it, Bona. Wow. We rode across the river on an elephant with Bruce giggling the whole way,
Job done.
That wasn't giggling.
I wasn't giggling.
crying.